Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful YouTube family, and welcome to any new viewers. If you are new here today, I'm so happy to have you here. Today we are going to be talking about hair. I have always been asked about my hair and how I am able to grow it so long and how it stays healthy. Truth be told, I've always had long hair. I did cut my hair shoulders length back when I was 21, and that's when I knew I was just meant for long hair. I was not meant to have short hair. I am not going to lie to you. I am a firm believer that genetics has everything to do with your hair as well. I have other girlfriends from different backgrounds, different ethnicities, and we just all have different hair, whether it's straight, curly, wavy. Just with my hair, a common theme I've noticed with all of my friends who are Filipina like I am is that we have naturally long and dark hair. I grew up and I used to be so envious of girls with this platinum blonde hair, and at the end of the day you just have to learn to love what you have and to style it and work with it. Truth is, everyone has beautiful hair. You just need to know how to take care of it and how to style it. So with that being said, I'm just going to share with you all what works for me, what I typically do. I posted a hair routine or how I style my hair a few months ago, and it was just very short and bland, and if I'm being quite honest, my hair care routine has changed a lot since then. I'm being honest, I really didn't take care of my hair. I just let it grow out. I never got trims. I didn't add any sustainable products into my hair. And so with endless hair products on the market, it's hard to know what works best for you. I've had to find out by trial and error. In this video, I am particularly going to go over my hair care routine, what I do to maintain my hair, any vitamins and supplements I personally take to keep my hair strong and healthy. So when it comes to washing my hair, I wash my hair every other day, sometimes even every 2 days. I used to wash my hair every single day, and that was before I discovered the secret of dry shampoo. I also have a very sensitive scalp, and my hair gets oily really fast. One thing I did notice is that when I showered my hair every day, the more prone my hair was to getting more oily. Ever since I started washing my hair every other day or every 2 days, my hair gets less oily. It's still pretty bad, but it's not as bad as it used to be. When it comes to hair products, I do switch it up every now and then. I do use the raw sugar one. I've been using that for about 6 to 7 months now, and I find that it does the job. I do have to use the scalp therapy. After I shower, I like to let my hair air dry as much as possible. If I'm not in a hurry or if I don't need to go anywhere, I will let it air dry completely. Otherwise, I'll do my makeup first and then I'll come back to my hair. After I get out of the shower, I like to use this ointment on my hair from The Ordinary. So just real quickly, I use the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density, a concentrated serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller, and healthier. You just take a few drops of the oil, drop it onto your scalp, and then I like to massage my scalp and just massage that oil into my hair. So I am going to let my hair air dry a little more before I apply any heat to it or blow dry it. I just don't like to blow dry my hair when it's completely wet. It takes too long and it's just a lot of heat. Okay, so next up I'm going to be talking about how I style my hair. Here I am using my Longe Hairbrush 2-in-1 hair dryer tool, and as I brush down on my hair, I try to rotate the brush. So I do have a lot of different curling irons I use. What I really like about this one is it has about 5 different interchangeable wands that you can swap out depending on the type of barrel size you want to use. The most common one I like to use is just the standard 1-inch curler. As for the heat setting, I do turn it all the way up. And then I also use Longe's heat protectant spray, and I just generously apply that all over my hair before I start curling. And then I'll just take a strand of hair, not too thick, and I don't start from the top. That's just my personal preference. I usually start midway to almost the bottom of my hair, and then I curl that, and I leave a little bit at the end straight. And one thing I found with my hair is that it curls better with titanium curlers rather than ceramic curlers. The curl should come out looking like so, and I'll just go through the rest of my hair and curl it. And one thing I make sure to do, which is super important for the texture and look of the hair, is to curl your hair going in different directions each time. So that's what one side of the hair looks like. It's time to do the other side, and again I'll curl one piece going backwards and then the other piece going forward, and I'll just do that throughout my hair. And once it's all done, this is what the finished hairstyle should look like, just these very wavy beach curls, and this is just one way I like to style my hair. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you my second day hair. It's not very oily right now, so I'm not going to do any dry shampoo. And then, if I'm talking funny, I'm wearing my retainers. But for my scrunchies before I go to bed, I always use these new slip scrunchies made of silk. They are supposed to damage your hair a lot less than regular hair ties because it is made of silk. It won't attach onto your hair and create any knots. You know what I'm talking about when you go to take out your hair from your hair tie and your hair is just clumped up into these knots, and you either have to brush it out and damage your hair or just rip it out, which is always a bad thing to do. So for today I am just staying at home. I might go to the gym later, but I am just going to be putting my hair up in a top knot or a messy little bun, and again I am using my black slip scrunchie. They sell them at, I believe, Sephora. I'm not sure if they sell them on Ulta. I'm sure you can get it online, and they come in thick and thin variations, different colors. And what's really nice about them is they are pretty fashionable. So if you wear them on your wrist and you take a picture, they don't look like just a nasty black little hair tie on your wrist. It actually looks pretty cute. I do get compliments on this hair tie a lot, as well as my other ones. So yeah, I am just going to leave my hair in this bun for today until I have to go to the gym later. Okay, let's talk vitamins. So I'm sure you all have heard of biotin. I personally don't take biotin. I don't know why, there's no reason, I just don't think I've ever gone to the store and remembered to buy it. Personally started taking fish oil. This actually supports heart, brain, skin, eye, and joint health, so there's some other benefits in there as well. I don't just take this for my hair. It does help my skin. Okay, one thing that I actually do love taking with my smoothies and with my acai bowls is this Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides powder. So this was actually gifted to me by my mother, and if you read the labeling, I'll read it for you. It says that it helps your skin, hair, nail, and joint support. It's grass-fed, pasture-raised, and unflavored. It does have a little bit of flavor. It's a little sweet, slightly sweet. I actually think it makes my smoothies and my acai bowls taste better. I think you can actually just add this to water as well if you want to drink it with water. I'm not sure how that tastes, but this is essentially supposed to help your skin hydration, skin elasticity, hair and nail support, healthy joints and bones, and create a youthful appearance. I've had this for a while, so I probably will use this about once a week, and I'll just do one scoop. I'm not sure how often you're supposed to use it. Again, I don't take a lot of biotin or other supplements for my hair, but I thought I would just might as well share these two items with you if you're looking for some type of hair, skin, and nail support. All right, that is it for my video today, my beautiful friends. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below what type of video you would like to see from me next. I do read each and every comment, so I will see you all again in another video soon. Bye.